You're always gonna be the one.
Talking of gardens on a bigger scale, there's a familiar player you'd need to lock in early. Landscaper Dave Franklin.
I've had 3 phone calls.
After 8 years on the block and a stack of wins, he's hot property. And he knows it.
So I've had Spencer call me, and then I've had Jess call me, and as well I've had Bianca, the netballers, call me. Hey, hello.
Oh, hey, Dave.
How you doing?
Bianca, how are you?
Well, good to finally meet you.
Oh, the master of landscape gardening.
Well, we'll have to see. How are you going to sell this to me? Jess has already upped it by offering beer straight away. And then Bianca being a netballer, my daughter's a netballer, well, she can go and coach a game for me, so that's a big plus.
As you can only choose one, he holds all the cards and can take his pick.
The best thing about this is we've got the biggest terrace. We have bay views,
Yep.
city views. We are the funnest team. That
Okay.
is the most important part.
I think you win. Let's do it.
Let's
That was
do
it.
it.
That's
Can't
pretty
wait.
easy. Well, I'm going to leave it. I'll see you in a month or so.
He's decided to go with us.
Did he? Oh, that's awesome.
So wrapped.
Just met Bianca. One, all good with the netball game with my daughter. But if you've got a landscape, you want something that's got a beautiful vista. That has definitely got the best view. The other thing, they just seem like they're going to be a lot of fun to work with. So I think I'm going to go with him.